everyone. Even a long period of time, we put a video about Newton's universal law of gravitation in part of physics. So this last states that Newton says every matter in the universe, each and every matter in the universe attract together with a force. The force is directly proportional to mass of the objects. The objects is the matter present in the universe. And the next definition is force is inversely proportional to square of the distance. We will see briefly. First, we draw a diagram. This is a matter in the universe, so we can place this as M1, and the next one, this is M2. So these two lie between a distance. We call it as R. The distance is called it as R. So this is a diagram. The masses of this two objects M1 and M2. The distance is denoted by R. So first law states force is directly proportional to product of mass of their objects. Product means you have to multiply the both. That means M1 into M2. So this is force is directly proportional to product of the two objects. And the next second law, force is inversely proportional to square of the distance. So R is, we know, the distance of two objects. So force is inversely proportional. We can put 1 by means it is inverse. We directly put R square means it is directly proportional. But we have to inverse this. So it is called as force is inversely proportional to distance of the square. So now what you have to do? So on behalf of the one, we put the product of the mass. Then what will become means we consider this law. Behalf of one, we have to consider the M1 into M2. Then we get M1 into M2 by R square. Here it is not equal to, because here is proportional. Force is proportional to M1 into M2 by R square. So we need to become an equal means we have to consider a constant value. For that, F is equal to, we can put a constant value G M1 into M2 by R square. Here G is a constant value. Why we put G means it is the universal constant. It is called as, I write it as universal gravitational constant. So this is universal gravitational constant, so that we can put the G. Otherwise no constant will be added because it is universal law of gravitation. So while that I am putting G. So this is the final derivation of the universal law of gravitation. That is force is equal to G into M1 into M2 by R square. According to Newton's universal law of gravitation, this is the correct derivation. So that's it, the video. Thank you.